You too. And there you have it, man. We just lost 2-1 to Mamelodi Sundowns at FNB Stadium, man. There's two ways you can look at it, man. They beat us 5-1. The good ways of looking at it is that they beat us 5-1 at FNB Stadium last time, and now they beat us 2-1, and they're celebrating like they won a bloody World Cup final. Williams and Mudau, national players celebrating against us. It shows progress under Coach Nabi. And the realistic way and bad way of looking at it is saying that Chivaviro, we scored a goal against the round of play with Chivaviro, and the midfield cost us, man. We kept the shape, but the midfield cost us. No one knew what they were supposed to do. Njabulelo Blom should be fit and be playing that game, should be starting. There's absolutely no way he should be on the bench for that game. Before I talk about the midfield, Maart-Castillo particularly, Coach Nabi, welcome to South Africa, man, where people cost you, the referees screw you over, you can bring your own laptops, VAR, they won't change the goal. I was taught from a young age that whatever the ref does, he won't change it. So there's no use complaining. There was still 60 minutes left to play that game for us to do it. I get it. They screwed us over. The ref screwed us over for that second goal. But we have to move on, man. The officiating in South Africa is very poor. I don't know, should you take it to SAFA or the Department of Sports and Health, whatever. I don't know what we should do, man. They screwed us over for that goal, and I'm still pissed off. Look, the second half was okay, man. The second half was amazing. We were the better side the second half because Sundowns was defending. It means they gave us the respect. And ultimately, they bring players on like Sailor and Modiba, international players who play for Bafana Bafana, and we bring on Dupree and I don't know, people who aren't that good as of late, and Saile, people who aren't that good as of late. The problem was we scored the goal against run of play. Okay, when we defend, it's a back five. Duba drops as a wing back. It's a 5-3-2 when we're defending, basically. And the problem was the midfield. No one knew what he was supposed to do. No, Castillo and Malt. What's Castillo's best quality? You saw Castillo when Njabulelo came in. We got the best out of Castillo. On Wednesday when he played Amazulu, we saw the best of Yusuf Malt because who was there? Njabulelo. Those two together don't work. Malt and Castillo don't work together. I'm sorry, they don't work together. What's Mart's best quality? Mart's best qualities are attacking, passing, offensive-minded qualities. Castillo same. They're not the same type of player. Castillo's attributes are more likely late down into the box, headers, and making late runs into the box and scoring goals as an extra man, making the late runs. Yusuf Mal's best qualities are long passes, receiving the ball, and going forward. But they don't have defensive-minded attributes, which mean they don't complement each other because who's going to cover for who? If Castillo's up there going for a header and leaves Malt alone on the break, you know Yusuf Malt will be destroyed. They'll pass him like he's nothing, like a traffic cone. And once again, we're playing a high line, but only two people are pressing. It's Chivaviro and Mdusha Walala. It's only two people pressing. They beat the press very easily in the first half. We lost the game in the first half. I can accept the second half because we will score sometimes. We won't score teams like that. It's one of the best defenses in the continent. So even if we don't score, it's fine. The first half was horrible. Man. Inacio Mdwari he made some shots way too dramatic. Hold the shots, but it's Polo. And I knew the capabilities, man. It was a big game today. I know some of us cracked under pressure. I hope Ule Modi, Oxum Teswa, and Njabulelo Blom find fitness because we needed those players today, man. Okay, man, let's begin player ratings, man. Mdwari, I think a 5.5, man. I'm not one to hype people up, man. It is not a channel where we win 2 games and we're saying we're going to win the league. This is a realistic channel, man. So 5.5 from Mdwari. Made way too many shots, looked way too dramatic, man. And he could have done better for the Rivero goal, the first goal. He should have done better. He could have done better. I'm not blaming him, but he could have done better. And then Cross, man, I think a 6, man, because he held his own against Tapelo Morena. Wasn't supported that much. Duba high energy again, supporting Cross sometimes, but you need more, man. I take in mind that you need more, man. I saw you try the bicycle kick it towards the end of the game, but you need more from Cross, man. He'll come good though. Dotley, I'll give him a 6 also. Didn't see much of him. As I said, he's a composed center back. He's a number 5, man. He's a sweeper, number 5. Doesn't get into the dirty challenges that much. He doesn't need to, man, because Nelson Miguel will take care of the dirty work. That's why he doesn't get booked that much, but Nelson Miguel does get booked a lot of times. So I think we'll give Dotley a 6. And then Nelson Miguel, I think a 5.5. Not a good game from him today, man. But he held his own, got a booking. Just steady, man. But I think a 5.5 because he wasn't because for his standards, it's a 5.5. But if it was someone like Ngezana when he played for Chiefs, I would have given him a 6 or a 6.5. But for his standards, Nelson Mikel, I'll give him a 5.5. And then Fosla, man, I think a 5.5 also, man. It's a steady performance. First, we need more from you, man. There's no game where Fosla has been a 7. He's just been steady. I hope Solomon becomes fit so we can see what Solomon can bring. I don't think it's like Oaks last year. Someone needs to pull up his stocks. He thinks he's a starter. You're not guaranteed a start yet, Chiefs. Reef Fosla. And then Castillo and Yusuf Mount, man. Yusuf Mount, I'm giving you a 5, man. I'm giving you a 5, man. You may as well call this channel Yusuf Mount Fan Center because that's how much we rate Yusuf Mount. But he's been the stink of a game, man. Very careless on the ball, loses the ball very much. Almost cost us. Got a booking for losing the ball very easily once again. I think it's time to start Castillo, man. We always say that we need to buy CDM to get the best out of Yusuf Mount. Who is he to for us to get a player to complement him? You should be good enough already on your own as a Chiefs player. And Castillo, I give him a 6.5 because towards the second half he was our main attacking threat. That's Castillo. That's Castillo under Mulifenzeki, making those late runs into the box and causing problems for the opposition. Castillo will come good. I didn't rate Castillo, but I think he's coming back very, very, very nicely. So I gave him a 6.5. Yusuf Mount, it's time to chow bench for you. Jablo Blom, you need to be fit. And if Jablo Blom gets injured, there's one guy who has to replace him all the time, Oksum Teswa. I'm glad he's staying. Ndusha I give him a 5, man. He ghosted today. I couldn't do much, man. The turns were nice. But I need more from you, man. I need more from you. You know what? I'll give you a 6, man. I'll give you a 6. Sereno, man, very emotional today. Very, very emotional. I'll give you a 6 again. His mind wasn't in the game. His mind was in for proving a point. You can't do that, man. So I'll give Sereno a 6. And then we have Chiavero, great goal, man. Aggressive, man. You're coming good. You're coming good, dog. If you're watching this, you're coming good. You're coming good. The way you overpowered that defender for the first goal, that's what we want, man. And creating chances, you didn't get the supply that you needed, so I'll give you a 7, man. And then we have who was playing on the left wing today? Oh, Duba did his job very well. Give him a 7 for his job. His job was to drop back as a wing back. We scored a goal against the run of play and it was to defend, and he did that very well. So I'll give Duba a 7 for his job. And that's the video, guys. Please like and subscribe, man.